Hi, my name is John. Welcome to another Wednesday catch up. In today's short video, I've been asked if I can do a little bit on spot drills and centre drills. Mainly, what is the difference between a spot drill and a centre drill? Well, I'll try my best to explain that. I also, I go to buy some tools, for some blacksmith tools, actually some hammers, and the lad has an adjustable wrench that he wants to sell. This one here. I just could not resist buying it. I mean, that is a real sort of class bit of kit. That he did some research on it, and it dates from 1888. It's American. I'll show a little close-up shot of that, but that is really a decent bit of kit. The idea is to clean it up and sort of do a gentle restore on it, clean the wood up, and Dave wants it as an ornament in the house. What a cracking bit of kit that is. Right, centre drills and spot drills. They're centre drills, they're spot drills. A centre drill is designed for drilling a hole, normally in a lathe, in the face of a piece of material. And the idea of using a centre drill is it drills a hole with a 60-degree taper, which is exactly what that centre is. So a centre drill, it drills a hole for the lathe centre to go into. A lot of people, me included, do use these as a drill to start a drilling process and then go on and use a bigger drill. That's not the way to do it. The way to do it is to use one of these things here, which is called a spot drill. It's a short, strong drill. These ones are actually got cobalt in them, designed to start a hole in the middle of a job, then you can carry on drilling. I've got a centre drill constantly mounted into an old Morse taper that I use all the time. The angle on the drill is much shallower or much steeper. See the difference there? That's designed for a drill to start in, that's designed for a centre to run in. Another favourite trick of a centre drill is for the little tip to snap off and the bastards to get out. That's one of our favourite occupations, where with these there's no tip to snap off. I'm going to put a bit of material in the lathe, demonstrate how they're used. That's the size of centre drill I use all the time. It's 8mm, but I'm sure that they come in codes, like a number code or a letter code, but it isn't 8mm diameter. That's the diameter of the shank there. That's mounted in the tailstock chuck. A little material in the chuck. This happens to be stainless, just what I had lying about. First thing we'll do is machine the end of the bar flat. Just warm the lathe up a little bit, it's not been ran today. You can see it's left a little pip on there. That's because the lathe tool is slightly below centre height. I'll do another cut so you can see it. That's the easiest way in the world to break a tool, or chip a tool. So I want to come up very slightly. Getting better. Right, so that's machined. The end of that bar, nice and flat, and there's no little pit in the centre. I'm going to centre drill it. I like a little bit of lubricant on centre drills, just a little dot of anchor lube does the job. Quite a few people have asked where you get this stuff from. All you're going to do is type anchor lube into eBay and you'll find the lad that sells it. He actually supplies it to me and I do use it on me monthly giveaways. Real nice product. Right, so the centre drill gently starts. Nice even pressure. It drills a very small pilot hole, then it opens out the hole to a 60-degree taper, like that. And that is designed specifically for your lathe centre to run in like that, a perfect fit in that taper. Quite often, if I make a part, I'll put a centre drill hole in just because it's easier to remount the thing in a lathe if you need to. If I'm trying to put an ordinary drill into that centre drill hole, watch what happens. The drill moves off, you see it? It's dropping down because it's not locating properly. And that is a drill that's been freshly sharpened. When I went in, it dipped down, it didn't go straight in. Right, this time it's a 10mm spot drill. You can also drill deep out of these as well, so that's going straight in with the drill pilot. We'll try the big drilling again, see what sort of result it gives with that. Right, the drill didn't deflect, it just went straight in. So that's the two drills, centre drill and spot drill. One for centre drilling, one for spot drilling. I found another drill that's damaged, short one. I'm just going to use the end off that to make a tool out of. So it's machining quite easily because it hasn't been hardened, that part of it. Once again, angle loop. A little brush helps to keep the stuff on the job, saves you wasting as much. Just about there. Right, spot drill now. Hopefully that hole will be a good fit on the shank of the drill, which it is reasonable but not as good. So we'll try a slightly smaller drill to get a good fit, or a better fit than that. This drill is very slightly smaller. The centre drill measures 9.5 and this drill is 9.3. I bought a set of drills from 0.5 to 10 going up in 0.1 and they've been really handy for jobs like this. Right, the drill's slack in the first bit and then it really is a good fit in there. Running nice and true. It's in there, I'll leave it in. Right, so now it's a simple case of drilling that and putting the grub screw in to hold it, and that's another useful tool. I'll probably do that tomorrow night because I've got something in the middle of the machine I don't want to take out. Right, now for the big adjustable. On the internet it's actually called a monkey wrench, and it is 17.5 inches long, which is 440mm. Got some right on there, I'll zoom in on that a little bit later. It hasn't been abused because I asked it to be used as a hammer and it hasn't been. The jaws are still nice and parallel. Really strong. The steel shank goes all the way through the handle to the end there. That's been forged. There's a big steel pin through there. Beautifully made. This will clean up really nice. That wood will be something spectacular. it will come up nice. You just, gear like this is got to be preserved, got to be kept. I'll zoom in, show you what's on there, and if you want to, have a look on the internet, see what you're going to find about it. Right, that's what I've got. Once again, as normal, time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. If you haven't, please do. You just click one of them buttons down there somewhere and it does it all for you. It's completely free and it does make a big difference to me. I've got 99,160 I think it is now, so 100,000 is definitely looking like a possibility for Christmas. Anyway, thanks for watching.